Hello viewers, and I welcome you once again to my channel The Tarotpreneur. So today we are going to see the judgment. I'll also tell you brief about what judgment it means, and the different card like an angel tarot card, it says about it's a renewal time, and rest of all it shows the different images of the judgment. So at this point when the fool reaches here, he has learned how to integrate everyday awareness. This indicates the quality of enlightenment, truth, hidden knowledge that makes the fool even wiser. It's time to put all the learnings of the till now, whatever has been learned. It's a time to put that into the practice. So it's time to review the life, as the angel card says. It's the review your life. Consider how the opportunities are used or unused. Manifest your future, and once it is done, the life changes for better. So the focus on at this time is releasing the old habits, forgiving others. Stop blaming, judging others, and take the responsibility of life. Work-wise, like a poker game, it's a show time. After for whatever you have been working for, the promotion is on the way. The permission of any new project will be granted. If you have applied for any licenses, that also will be granted to you. The business will increase multifold. So that's the more important, and simultaneously if you are into a job, this will also give you a lot more prosperity into your job. Relationship will undergo the regeneration. Both of you will commit to do to make something together or detach some old practices. As I said, this is a renewal time. So even in relationship, it's a good time to renew your relationship, leave away some old practices, old habits, and infuse some new energy into your relationship. And you are also likely to get a new partner very soon. That is on the card. Financially, the income increases, of course. The contracts will be received. There might be an unexpected legal issues might come up. However, the judgment would be in the favor of the person for whom the reading has been done. There is also possibility that because of your some old acts or your karmas, you might get some penalty tickets to be paid. In any which ways, penalties are just the indications. So the empowerment with this card is that you have the ability to transform yourself. So yes, the transformation happens once you renew and refresh yourself. And so with this is the time for the message from the universe, and let's see what it has to say. So it says that to surrender to setting limits. So once you have renewed yourself, you have infused a new energy into your life, then do not set the boundaries. That is what it says. So let me read it out for you. It's healthy to set boundaries in relationship. Practice expressing your needs, and remember that no is a complete sentence. So say no to what is not required and say yes and carry with what is required in your life. That is what the judgment is all about. And tomorrow we will meet the last card of the major arcana, that is the world. Thank you.